Hi everybody. So I'm updating again after 3 days. So today is the update for days 11 to 13. Uh, Things are going kind of up and down. Today, unfortunately, is the down day, so my knee is a little bit more swollen and a little bit more painful and less range of motion than yesterday. But overall, I think things are improving, so that's good. Still taking oxycodone, but only at night. So last night I took couple. I'm trying to stay on two. I'll try to reduce it just to one, I think, in the next couple days. Also, I stopped taking ibuprofen. I felt like it wasn't really doing good. It was not good for my stomach. So we'll see if the swelling, perhaps the swelling is up because of the ibuprofen missing, but hopefully I can deal with it. So pain, range of motion, swelling, it's getting better, but still far from where I would like it to be. Um, Still spending lots of time lying on the sofa, and I can sit up still on the sofa for 30, 60 minutes at a time, read my email on my laptop, things like that, but I cannot do really much of serious work. Exercises, I still try to keep up with my exercises. Kind of here's a list of pretty much everything I do. So exercise other parts of my body, mini squats, ankle pumps, heel slides, isometrics, etc. Uh, I am walking around with just one crutch. That seems to be the fastest and most comfortable. And if I really want to push it, I go with no crutch at all, but that means I have to walk really, really slowly and be very mindful how I'm stepping on the operated leg. So, but I feel it's a good practice. Yesterday, I guess I did maybe too much of it, so that's why my leg is swollen today. But that's where I need to get. I need to be able to walk around without crutches. So all in all, I feel things are better. Still not a smiley face, but definitely improving. So let me just go over the leg exercises first, and then I'll do the all body workout at the end. And keep in mind that I'll do probably like 1/3 of all the exercises, the number the number of exercises or the number of repetitions that I'm supposed to do for the whole day. So I'm gonna do about twice as much after the video is over. Okay. So I'll start with the mini squats. Uh, you can see I'm still wearing the compression sleeve. It's really helping to keep things together, reduce the swelling in the rest of my leg, so I really like it. So the mini squats, you did this before, you can hold on, you don't have to see today, it's really tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm keeping the weight on both legs about the same. So pushing, making sure I'm pushing with the right leg, not just relying on the healthy leg. So pushing with both equally. Okay, so those are the mini squats. Ankle pumps. Let's go to the floor. Okay, So ankle pumps, I'm supposed to do them lying down, but I'll do them sitting up just uh, so that I can fit in the screen. You know, I actually prefer to put towels under my knee so that I can rest my leg. So I think I'm supposed to do like 30 of them in one set, 3 sets of 30. So I'll do like one set of 15 or so. Okay, so that's one. Heel slides. Again, I know today is not gonna be good. Yesterday was definitely better. I'll do them very slow. And down. Down. I'm supposed to do 30 of these. I think it's too much, too many, because after like 15, everything tightens up. So I need a break. And I'm trying to lift the leg or push with my heel. I think those are, two different. Like right now I'm pushing with my knee, with my heel, so I'm activating the back side of my leg, and if I pull, then I'm activating these muscles. Anything is good. Okay, so I'll do a few of these, and ankle pumps we did, quad isometrics. Those are actually becoming the most difficult ones because I'm supposed to push the knee down, and because of the limited range of motion, it is really painful. So you don't see much happening. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the isometrics, okay, and so let's come to the knee extensions and knee leg raises. Those are the those are the ones that I actually cannot do. And last time I showed you my invention with the exercise band. So I kind of wrapped it around the walker, and so I can put my leg here and have it kind of partially supported with the band, and put the ball or pillow or something under your knee, and now I can do leg extensions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I am really, I know you can't tell, but I am really working hard the quad muscles here, and it's hurting in the knee. But I need to get this working without the exercise band support. So I have to do actually more of these. Okay, so that was the knee extensions, and then I have to do the leg raises. And again, I need the help of the exercise band. And so I just, and I should be doing them lying down. 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, so those are the leg exercises pretty much, and I did the mini squats, and let's just jump right to the rest of the workout. You can see I can kind of get around of not using the belt anymore, like I turn, use different muscles. So for example, I can, nowadays I can lift my leg sideways, which is good. Not much, but, and of course I can lift it a lot going back, but I cannot lift it forward. That's, this is all I can do. So not enough to get in the car or things like that. Okay. So as usual, weight is on the good leg. And I'll do a bunch of flies. Making sure my back is straight. And I can do the bicep curls. Tricep extensions. and the other side. Actually, notice I forgot to not put weight on my operated leg, so I did put weight, and I can kind of hold it with my muscles engaged, knee slightly bent. So I think it's all good. So that's actually good. So now I can do the, I can do the rows. And the other side. Here I can lift the leg too. And okay, since I'm standing, don't forget to do the stretching exercises. I think those are really important. So for me, I like to stretch my back. Now, leg, weight is mostly on one leg. And the other way. One more. And the other way. By the way, okay, let's do the, bicep curls and shoulders. So, and I can add the push-up to it, seated, which is actually good because it's strengthening my whole core. Okay, so those were the curls, and I use a little lighter weight for my shoulders. Sometimes I do one leg forward, one leg sideways. Oh, sorry, one arm, one arm forward, one arm sideways. And one thing I wanted to show you that I like to do when I've been standing for a while and I have no place to really sit down and elevate my leg, I try to elevate my leg standing, and that really helps just to flush all the blood away from my leg, and it makes me feel better for the next 5 minutes or so. So it's good. So I just stand up and hold on to something and just raise my leg, as high as you can. Mine is not as high as I would like, but it's definitely above my head and above my heart, so all the blood is coming out, and it feels good. Okay. So that was all for today. I'll talk to you in another 3 or 4 days.